Planning your next camping trip? Don't pack your bags just yet. In this video, we're diving into 25 life-saving Amazon camping tools that every camper, whether beginner or pro, must have. From fire-starting gadgets to compact water filters and emergency shelter gear, these tools can make the difference between a great adventure and a risky situation. Some of these might even surprise you. So stick around till the end, because the last few items could be total game changers you didn't even know existed. Ready to upgrade your camping survival kit? Let's jump in. Number 1. Multitool. Kicking things off with the ultimate camping essential, the Multitool. Think of it as your portable handyman, combining pliers, knives, screwdrivers, can openers, and more into a compact device. It's perfect for fixing gear, preparing food, or even setting up your tent. Instead of carrying multiple tools, one Multitool does it all, saving space and weight in your pack. The key benefit here is versatility. One device that handles dozens of tasks, making your camping experience smoother and more efficient. Whether you're tightening a loose screw or opening a can of beans, this gadget is your best friend. Thousands of campers swear by its convenience, making it a must-have for any outdoor adventure. Number 2. The SparkO 4-in-1 Versatile Hands-Free EDC Flashlight. A game changer for anyone who camps, cycles, or drives. This isn't your average flashlight. SparkO combines a powerful LED light, a magnetic base, a 180-degree adjustable head, and clip-on hands-free design, all in one ultra-compact tool. For car owners, it's perfect for emergencies. Just clip it under your hood with the magnetic base, and you've got bright, focused lighting for quick repairs, flat tires, or jump-starting in the dark. It also works great inside tents or vehicles, thanks to the pivoting head and wide beam coverage. For cyclists, SparkO clips securely to your jacket, backpack, or bike frame, acting as both a headlamp and a safety beacon. Whether you're fixing a chain at night or riding through low visibility conditions, it boosts your safety without occupying your hands. What makes SparkO stand out? Its USB rechargeable battery, impact-resistant aluminum body, and multi-angle rotation make it incredibly reliable for outdoor or roadside use. Small enough for your pocket, powerful enough to trust. SparkO is the one flashlight you won't leave home without. Checking the link in the description. Number 3. Wave Plus Multitool. If you're serious about multi-tools, the Wave Plus is a top-tier choice. It's packed with 18 tools, including a saw, wire cutters, screwdrivers, and even a bottle opener. Designed for durability and precision, it handles everything from minor repairs to cooking prep. Its sturdy frame and ergonomic design make it comfortable for extended use. What sets it apart is its versatility, perfect for campers, hikers, and survivalists alike. Whether you're fixing gear or preparing a meal, this multi-tool offers the functionality of multiple gadgets in one compact package. It's a favorite among outdoor enthusiasts who want reliability in their pocket. Many swear it's worth every penny for its durability and extensive features. Number 4. Portable Camping Chair. After a long day of hiking or exploring, there's nothing better than kicking back in a comfy camping chair. Lightweight and foldable, these chairs are designed to pop open in seconds and provide a sturdy seat around the campfire. They're perfect for relaxing, eating, or just enjoying the scenery. The key benefit? Comfort and convenience. Imagine having your own cozy spot wherever you go. Plus, many models are compact enough to fit into a backpack, making setup and transport effortless. Thousands of campers love how this simple addition transforms their outdoor experience from exhausting to relaxing. A small upgrade that makes a big difference. Number 5. Foldable Camping Stove. Cooking in the wild doesn't have to be complicated. The foldable camping stove offers a portable solution for preparing hot meals and drinks. It's lightweight, easy to set up, and compatible with standard fuel canisters. Its compact design means it fits neatly into your pack, yet it provides enough power for boiling water or frying meals. The main benefit? It saves you from eating cold, bland food and gives you the comfort of home-cooked meals. Plus, it's quick to assemble and clean, so you spend less time fussing and more time enjoying. Many outdoor lovers rely on this stove for delicious hot food after a day of adventure. It's a small device with incredible practical value. Number 6. Ultralight Dry Sack. Keeping your gear dry is one of the biggest challenges when camping, especially if unexpected rain hits or you're crossing streams. An ultralight dry sack is the perfect solution. Made from waterproof materials with a roll-top closure, it seals out moisture, dust, and dirt, protecting your clothes, electronics, and sleeping gear. It's lightweight enough to carry everywhere and durable enough to withstand rough conditions. The key benefit? It ensures your essentials stay dry regardless of weather. Whether you're caught in a downpour or crossing crossing a river, your gear remains safe and functional. This simple yet vital piece of gear has earned rave reviews among backpackers and campers who prioritize keeping their belongings safe without adding bulk. It's an affordable way to avoid the nightmare of soggy gear and ruined trips. Number 7. Lantern with USB power bank lighting is essential when night falls in the wilderness. But why settle for just a lantern? A lantern with a built-in USB power bank combines illumination with portable charging. It provides bright, even light for your campsite while also giving you a way to charge your phone, GPS, or other devices. Crucial if you're off-grid for days. The main benefit? It consolidates two vital functions into one compact device, saving space and weight. No more carrying separate lanterns and power banks. Plus, many models have adjustable brightness settings and long-lasting batteries, making them versatile for different situations. Thousands of campers love how this gadget simplifies their setup and keeps their devices charged, giving peace of mind during extended trips. Number 8. Rechargeable Flashlights. A reliable flashlight is a camping essential, and rechargeable models take it a step further. They eliminate the need for batteries, saving you money and reducing waste. Simply charge them before your trip, and you're good to go. Many models feature adjustable beams, multiple brightness levels, and even emergency SOS modes. The benefit? Consistent, bright light whenever you need it, without the hassle of replacing batteries. Rechargeable flashlights are also eco-friendly, cost-effective, and often more durable than disposable ones. Campers and hikers agree. They're a dependable companion for navigating dark trails, finding gear in your tent, or signaling for help. A small investment that provides big peace of mind. Number 9. Smokeless Patio Fire Pit. Imagine enjoying a campfire without the smoke bothering your eyes or filling the air with ash. A smokeless patio fire pit is designed to produce minimal smoke while still giving you that cozy fire experience. It's perfect for campsites with fire restrictions or those who want a cleaner experience. The key benefit? It creates a warm, inviting atmosphere without the hassle of constant ash cleanup or smoke irritation. Many models are portable and easy to set up, making them ideal for outdoor gatherings or campsite cooking. Campers love how it transforms the outdoor space into a comfortable, inviting spot to relax after a long day. Plus, it's environmentally friendly and perfect for those who want to enjoy a fire responsibly. Number 10. Ultralight Backpacking Stove. For those who prioritize weight savings, an ultralight backpacking stove is a must-have. These stoves are designed to be compact, lightweight, and efficient, perfect for minimalist campers or long-distance hikers. They typically use small fuel canisters and boil water or cook simple meals quickly. The main benefit? It saves precious pack space and weight while still providing reliable cooking power. Whether you're boiling water for coffee or preparing a quick meal, these stoves excel at making outdoor cooking effortless. Many outdoor enthusiasts swear by their durability and efficiency, especially on multi-day trips where every ounce counts. It's a small gadget that makes a significant difference in your comfort and convenience. Number 11. Camping Pillow. Getting good sleep in the wild starts with a comfortable pillow. Camping pillows are compact, lightweight, and designed to give your head the support it needs after a day of adventure. Some are inflatable, others are foam, but all aim to provide a cozy sleep experience in the outdoors. The biggest benefit? Better rest means better energy for the next day's activities. A good pillow reduces neck strain and helps you sleep more soundly, turning your campsite into a little slice of home comfort. Many campers take pride in their sleep setup, and a quality camping pillow is often the difference between a restful night and tossing around all night. It's a small luxury that makes a big difference. Number 12. Inflatable Sleeping Pad. Comfortable sleep on uneven ground is tricky without the right gear. An inflatable sleeping pad provides a cushioned barrier between you and the rough terrain, offering insulation and comfort. It's easy to pack, inflate, and deflate, making it ideal for backpackers and car campers alike. The main benefit? It significantly improves sleep quality, helping you wake refreshed and ready for your next adventure. Many models feature self-inflating valves and lightweight materials, so they're convenient to carry. Camping experts rave about how a good sleeping pad transforms sleeping from a challenge into a restful experience. This is one of those small upgrades that makes a huge difference on your trip. Number 13. Ultralight Backpacking Tent. Shelter is vital, and an ultralight backpacking tent is designed for portability without sacrificing protection. These tents are made from durable, lightweight materials, with innovative designs that set up quickly and pack down small. Perfect for long hikes or minimalist campers, they offer a safe haven from the elements. The key benefit? It keeps you dry, protected, and comfortable without weighing down your pack. Many models include features like waterproof fabrics, ventilation, and easy setup, making them favorites for backpackers and outdoor enthusiasts. A good ultralight tent can be the difference between a miserable night and a restful sleep. It's a must-have for those who want to travel light but still stay protected. Number 14. Water Purifier Bottle. Hydration is critical, but carrying enough clean water can be a challenge. A water purifier bottle combines a water bottle with an integrated filtration system, allowing you to fill up from natural sources safely. Simply scoop or drink directly, and the built-in filter removes bacteria, protozoa, and other contaminants. The major benefit? It ensures you have access to safe drinking water anywhere, reducing the need to carry large amounts of water or buy plastic bottles. This gadget is perfect for day hikes, extended camping, or travel in remote areas. Many outdoor lovers rely on their purifier bottles to stay hydrated and healthy, making them an essential part of any gear lineup. Number 15. Coghlans. Emergency Survival Blanket. Emergency survival blankets are compact, lightweight, and designed to retain body heat in critical situations. Made from reflective material, they bounce heat back to you, preventing hypothermia if you're stranded or caught in bad weather. They're also useful for signaling rescuers with their shiny surface. The key benefit? They can be lifesavers during emergencies, keeping you warm and safe until help arrives. Their small size and durability make them a favorite among campers, hikers, and survivalists. Many swear by packing one in their first aid kit or emergency pack because it's affordable, reliable, and can be the difference between life and death in a crisis. Number 16. Black Diamond Spot Headlamp. Lighting your way after sunset is crucial, and a reliable headlamp is your best bet. The Black Diamond Spot headlamp is a favorite among outdoor enthusiasts because it combines brightness, durability, and hands-free convenience. With multiple lighting modes, including spot, flood, and strobe, it adapts to every situation, from navigating dark trails to signaling for help. The key benefit? Hands-free illumination that allows you to do tasks, set up camp, or read without fuss. Its waterproof design means it withstands rain and splashes, making it perfect for any weather. Campers, hikers, and adventurers trust this headlamp for its reliability, long battery life, and powerful beam. It keeps your hands free and your path well lit, and essential for safe, fun outdoor experiences. Number 17. Gear Tie Reusable Cable Ties. Keeping your gear organized in the wild is easier with reusable cable ties. These versatile ties are perfect for bundling cords, hanging gear, or securing items to your pack. Unlike traditional zip ties, gear ties are flexible, reusable, and gentle on your gear, making them eco-friendly and cost-effective. The main benefit? They help you stay organized and avoid losing small but essential items. Whether you're hanging utensils, securing your lantern, or bundling cables, these ties are your multi-purpose solution. Outdoors enthusiasts love their durability and flexibility. They can bend, twist, and reposition as needed. Many swear by these ties for keeping their gear tidy and accessible, making them a simple but invaluable camping hack. Number 18. Hydromedary Water Storage Bag. When you need to carry large amounts of water, the Hydromedary Water Storage Bag is a game changer. Made from durable, flexible materials, it holds multiple gallons of water in a compact, foldable design. It's perfect for extended trips, group camping, or situations where water sources are scarce. The key benefit? It allows you to store and transport water efficiently, saving space in your pack. Its wide opening makes filling and cleaning easy, while its sturdy handles make hauling a breeze. Many campers and survivalists rely on hydromedary bags to ensure they always have enough water, especially in remote areas. It's an affordable, practical solution for staying hydrated on long adventures. Number 19. Snow Peak Titanium Spork and Utensil Set. Eating in the wild should still be enjoyable, and the Snow Peak Titanium Spork and Utensil Set delivers just that. Made from lightweight, durable titanium, this set includes a spoon, fork, and knife, perfect for eating meals, stirring, or even cooking. Its compact size makes it ideal for backpackers who want to save space. The main benefit? It's ultra-light, corrosion-resistant, and built to last, making it a perfect outdoor companion. Whether you're enjoying a quick snack or a hearty meal, this set ensures you do so comfortably and efficiently. Campers and outdoor chefs love how easy it is to clean and how it withstands the rigors of outdoor use. A small utensil set that makes every meal more enjoyable. Number 20. Portable Foldable Solar Panel. Powering your devices in remote locations just got easier with a portable foldable solar panel. These panels are lightweight, compact, and designed to charge your gadgets using sunlight. Perfect for extended camping trips, outdoor work, or emergency situations, they give you independence from traditional power sources. The key benefit? They provide a sustainable, eco-friendly way to keep your devices charged. Whether you need to power your phone, GPS, or small appliances, these panels deliver reliable energy. Many outdoor lovers appreciate how easy they are to set up and how they help reduce reliance on batteries or generators. They're a smart investment for anyone who wants to stay connected and powered up, no matter where they are. Number 21. Portable Camping Cookware. Cooking your favorite meals outdoors is simple with a portable camping cookware set. Designed to be lightweight and durable, these sets include pots, pans, and utensils that pack neatly into a compact case. They're made for quick setup and easy cleaning, perfect for solo campers or family outings. The main benefit? They make outdoor cooking convenient and enjoyable, turning any campsite into a culinary paradise. Whether boiling water, frying eggs, or simmering stews, this cookware set handles it all. Enthusiasts love how versatile and space-efficient it is, and many say it's their go-to gear for making delicious meals in the wild. It's a small upgrade that elevates your camping experience. Number 22. Essential Camping Survival Kit. When it comes to safety, having an all-in-one survival kit is a game changer. These kits typically include bandages, fire starters, a whistle, a multi-tool, and emergency supplies, all packed into a compact case. They're designed to handle minor injuries, start fires, or signal for help in emergency situations. The key benefit? Peace of mind knowing you're prepared for unexpected scenarios. Whether you're hiking, backpacking, or just exploring, this kit provides critical tools for survival and first aid. Many outdoor enthusiasts trust these kits to keep them safe and confident in remote environments. It's an affordable, essential investment for every camping kit, ensuring that help is always within reach. Number 23. Camping Lantern with Hanging Hook. Lighting your campsite is easy with a camping lantern equipped with a hanging hook. These lanterns provide bright 360-degree illumination and are designed for hanging inside your tent, from trees, or on your gear. They're perfect for setting up camp, cooking, or navigating in the dark. The main benefit? They create a safe, well-lit environment without the hassle of holding a flashlight. Many models feature adjustable brightness, long-lasting batteries, and even rechargeable options. Campers love how versatile and convenient they are. Simply hang, turn on, and enjoy a cozy glow. It's an affordable upgrade that transforms your campsite into a warm, inviting space. Number 24. Adventure Camp Cook Set. A high-quality camp cook set makes outdoor meals a breeze. Complete with pots, pans, lids, and utensils, this set is designed to be lightweight, durable, and easy to pack. It's perfect for both solo adventurers and groups who want to cook hearty, delicious meals. The key benefit? It simplifies outdoor cooking, reduces clutter, and makes cleanup a snap. Many outdoor enthusiasts appreciate how sturdy and versatile these sets are, enabling everything from boiling water to simmering stews. They're a must-have for anyone who loves outdoor cooking, turning simple ingredients into memorable meals. An investment in this gear elevates your entire camping experience. Number 25. E-Tech City Digital Luggage Scale for gear weight. Managing your gear weight is essential for comfort and safety, especially on long hikes. The E-Tech City Digital Luggage Scale is a compact, easy-to-use device that accurately measures your backpack or gear weight. Just hang your pack, and within seconds, you'll know exactly how heavy it is. The main benefit? It helps prevent overpacking, avoiding unnecessary strain or extra baggage fees. Many hikers and campers rely on this scale to pack smart and stay within weight limits. Its digital display makes reading easy, and its small size means it fits into your gear for quick checks. An affordable tool that keeps your trips comfortable and stress-free. Wow, that was a wild ride. You learned about so many life-saving camping tools you can easily grab on Amazon. We saved the best for last, and trust us, it's a game changer. You're going to be thanking us for this one? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more camping hacks and tips. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. See you in the next video.